Hello, my name is John Coors. This is my first Lent as a retiree, and I've been reflecting on what I can do in my second half of life. I know I now have much more time to help others, to volunteer, to make more of a difference. And my first thoughts were, what's large project? What big role can I do to make an impact? Isn't that the way we often think? That to make a difference in life, we need to have those large, impactful events. The father of lies tries to convince us that we can't go big and move mountains. Our efforts are worthless. We live in a society where our worths are measured by bigger and better. Unfortunately, most of us don't have the ability or resources to do what would be considered that spectacular or impactful item, to be a Mother Teresa. What has hit me this Lent is that I can make a difference by doing small things each and every day. An encouraging word, taking time for someone that needs a helping hand, a smile, a little humor, providing a donation to someone in need. By living our life each day intentionally thinking of others and how our actions or words can make a small positive impact for someone else. This is what author and lecturer Matthew Kelly would call a holy moment. So this Lent, my goal is to try to find opportunities each and every day to create some of those holy moments. I think if we truly look at each day, we can find more and more opportunities to act and take advantage of these opportunities, and in return, these behaviors then become habits. I especially try to be aware of opportunities when confronted with adversity, a stressful situation, maybe tired from a long day, when I can really make a difference. I also ask the Holy Spirit to help me know that holiness is possible, and that every moment is an opportunity to create one of these holy moments. Imagine if each of us and all of us would work each day to create holy moments. I think with all these small acts of kindness, we would be creating that big deal, that spectacular thing. I heard a priest make a comment at a recent retreat that I went to that I hadn't heard in a long time. He said, our goal in life should be to become a saint. And my job is to help my spouse and my family to become saints. I think my definition of a saint has also changed. For now it isn't necessarily that person that does big things or spectacular things, but that we can all be saints through our daily actions. So stop waiting for that next monumental action or opportunity to come along to make a big difference. Don't just look for something to give up this Lent. Rather, look each day for small opportunities to make holy moments. And then reflect at the end of each day and say, what difference did I make? That's how we'll change the world. So, what holy moment did you create today?